Good morning, students. Hope you are doing well at home. Today, we will learn about chapter number 11, that is transportation in plants and animals. So, I request you to open your NCERT books. So, here you can see this is our chapter. In this chapter, we will first learn about the blood. So, you all know that when you get a cut on your body, blood flows out. But what is blood? Blood is the fluid which flows in blood vessels. It transports substances like digested food from the small intestines to the other parts of the body. It carries oxygen from the lungs to the cells of the body. It also transports waste for removal from the body. You can have a look at the figure 11.1. In this figure, you can clearly see the heart, vein and artery. In this chapter, we will be reading in detail about all this. So first we will discuss about blood. So what is blood? What are the components of blood? This is all we're going to read. So first we will discuss what are the functions of blood. So the main functions of the blood is to transport oxygen, transport carbon dioxide, transport of other solids like urea, hormones, distribution of heat, defense against disease, and last but not the least, blood clotting. Now we will study about the components of blood. We have basically four components of blood: the red blood cells, the white blood cells, platelets and plasma. So first we will discuss about red blood cells. You can clearly look at the figure of the red blood cells. Its structure is like a disc-shaped, small, flexible and smooth. So its functions are to carry the oxygen through tiny blood vessels to each individual cell and to carry carbon dioxide away from each cell. Okay. Now our next component is the white blood cells. So white blood cells enter the tissue spaces by diaphysis. So these white blood cells can squeeze through the pores of the blood capillaries by diaphysis. White blood cells can move through the tissue spaces by amoebic motion. So in these you all will be reading in your higher classes. Now we will learn about the platelets. These are small cell fragments that assist in blood clotting. So when you get a cut, so the blood stops immediately. So for that clotting of blood, platelets are necessary. Okay. Now you can have a big picture of our blood. So you can see clearly how the particles are suspended. In this we can look at the red blood cells, the white blood cells, the plasma and the platelets. Now the blood plasma. Blood plasma contains water, nutrients, proteins, gases, hormones, waste. It is a watery liquid. It transports substances from where they are made or enter the body to their destination. Now you can have a look at this flow chart of blood clotting. See if the damage is done to a blood vessel, platelets release thrombokinase. Now these are the enzymes which convert them and help the blood to clot. This is a picture of a healthy blood cells. In this you can see the red blood cells, neutrophil, lymphocyte, monocyte, basophil, platelets. Thank you. This is all about today's class. Have a nice day.